A series AC circuit consists of an inductor and a capacitor. The inductance and capacitance is respectively 1 Henry and 25 microfarad. If the current is maximum in the circuit, then angular frequency will be in radian per second. Now here, first of all, you need to understand when current will be maximum. When current will be maximum. This is important line, right? When current is maximum. So current is equal to I is equal to V upon mod Z, where Z is nothing else impedance, right? So which can be written as under root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Perfect. Now you need to understand, when we are talking about I need to be I maximum, that shows that Z should be minimum. Perfect. Then only in that scenario that current is going to be maximum. That means if XL minus XC is 0, it is only possible when XL minus XC is 0. Then current will become V upon root of R square, which will be V upon R. Perfect. So this is the I max, maximum value of this current. So now what does it suggest? XL is equal to XC. We know what is XL, which is omega into L. This is 1 upon omega C. This gives us omega square is equal to 1 upon LC, and from there I can find omega is equal to 1 upon LC and square root. Now we know that omega is equal to 2 pi f only, right? So from there I can write the value of omega, which is under root of 1 upon LC is equal to 2 pi f. So the f will be is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root of LC. Now look at the question. They are asking angular frequency will be. So angular frequency will be only 1 upon under root of LC. So equation number 1. So now what is given in the question? The inductance and capacitance. So inductance L is equal to 1 Henry and C is equal to 25 microfarad, which can be written as 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Okay. So now we need to substitute the values in equation number 1. So let me remove this thing. I don't need. So if you put the values, omega is equal to 1 upon under root of LC. L is 1 Henry into C is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian per second, right? So that is going to be omega is equal to 1 upon 25 will give you 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian per second, and which is going to be 1 upon 5 into 1000. Perfect. So this gives you 200. So 200 radian per second will be the angular frequency. So the answer will be option number 1, which will give you the right answer. Okay.